Open the remote control to clean it and to remove any stuck debris or any residue that may be there. To do so, first open the battery cover, then remove the batteries if there's any. The remote control is divided in two plastic pieces, a top one and a bottom one that are clipped together. I suggest you take a plastic piece, could be a very thin credit card or membership card or a guitar pick. A knife will also be okay. It's just that since it's in metal and the remote control is plastic, you have higher chances of damaging it while opening it. Okay, so take your guitar pick or whatever thin plastic you have, and between the number 3 and this top button, you're going to stick it very well. You see, between these two plastic pieces. So just press until it enters, like that. Then move up and down. And you can see I have unclipped this clip, but there are many of them all around. So next step, go between the power button and the number 1 and do the same thing. Stick like this, and now move up and down. And by doing this, try to go all the way around the top. Okay, we have unclipped the top part of the remote. Now we just need to work our way towards the bottom. So just move like this. And then do the other side. And press harder, don't be afraid. Okay, we have unclipped more clips. Now, okay, another clip open, do the same on the other side. Okay, we did it. Perfect. So the thing we need to do now is to clean it. So take the top part, okay, without this rubber mat, and tap it. So in case there's anything big there, it will fall down. Then set this aside. Take this rubber mat kind of thing with the buttons and do the same thing. Just give some good taps. Now we can take this apart or leave it there. This is not that important. I'll just take it to make it easier. And we need to clean these contacts. Take the microfiber without anything and just rub it slightly in case there is some big chunks there. Then take some 91% isopropyl alcohol. I found this in at Walmart, but any pharmacy have these. 91% is great. If you can find even higher than 91%, the better. But this will do the job. Don't use water. Put a bit on a microfiber. And then we're gonna rub every contacts here. Gently. This will evaporate very quickly, don't worry. On the other side, we don't need to touch anything. Then do the same thing, put more alcohol, and on this part, the rubber part, turn it the other way, not where the buttons are, and we're gonna do the same thing, clean it very well. So we make sure that those buttons make contact. Don't use anything cotton, like a cotton swab, because they leave some residue. Microfiber does not leave those. Okay. Perfect. Now we're ready to reassemble the remote control. And this part is much more easier than to take it apart. So first of all, take this top part, turn it away, and put these buttons through their appropriate hole. Then take this part, align it, and place it. Okay. Next, take the back end of the remote control, align it, and when you're sure it's aligned, we're gonna clip back all the clips that are around. Perfect. Now put back some batteries, put back the lid, and hopefully your remote control buttons will now work properly. I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below if you have other tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.